This is Quaff Plus, the self-titled final project by Team Quaff Plus. This is an improved version of the current Quaff, or it's supposed to be. You can create an account by clicking this Create an Account button, and then inputting a sci.edu email address, and then a verification code will be sent to your email. You'll need this to register, but one sci.edu email address can only be assigned to one account. So since I already have an account, I can't register again. Okay, you can. This is just a normal home, and these are servers or classes you're in. You can create a class, or we call them servers. Just give it a name. And a description, and then you have to give it a server password so that people can use it to join. You create the server. You have a server ID here, which people also need to join. You can create posts. You can name the post. You give the post a name and some content, and you can either choose between announcements or questions, and yeah, it's these buttons. Announcements are labeled by these exclamation marks. You can click it and add a reply. You post a reply and you have this reply content, but currently the posts were originally supposed to be collapsible so that all of them could be on one screen, but that we failed to integrate that. So you just click back to refresh the thing. You create a post. If you want to make a question, you just have something and then create question, and now you have access to this. You can add a reply. Let's assume this is answer. You post a reply, and now you have, since the question is answered, you can mark it as answered. We were unable to implement best answers into our final post, into our final project, into our final version of the project, which that we're using in this video. Yeah, you can also view other servers like this server. This is an example of a code snippet that you can have. You can include code snippets in your code. To join a server, you'd need to be in a different account. You'd need the server ID and the server password. So let's log out. You go to join, input the server ID and the server password, and now you're in the server and you can add a reply. So you can see the owner, the name of the account is next to the post title. Then you can choose your it's the name you choose when you register, and the date and time you created the post is also here. So Yes, that is all. We tried to implement some other features, but we were unable to include them in the final version because we didn't want the site to crash unexpectedly, although there's some bugs right now. So yeah, that is all.